Hi everyone. Well, I'm going to do an unboxing of a pretty special Bible. So let's have a look. Right, I found this Bible that's in this box, which I haven't seen yet. Well, I'll wait and do it with you. And it's the new LSB Bible in Shamar goatskin. Now that on the LSB site, which is the who sells, is 316 Publishing, they're all out of stock. And so I don't know why, I've been reading it online for free and really enjoying it. And then on the 31st of December, about 9:30 p.m, I thought, oh, I'll just have a look online and see if there's any Bibles. I do it every few months, or I have a little look and see what's on eBay. And there was one that was a rebind, but it was the one that was the hardcover that was rebound, and didn't really like it. And he'd made it look really stiff, so it didn't lay flat. So I thought, oh, I'll think about that one. And then within a sort of a few minutes, this one came up, brand new, Shamar goatskin, exactly what I wanted from 316 Publishing. But obviously everyone has to wait till the middle of this year or sometime to get one. So I bought it straight away. It's brand new, never been used. And I praise God for giving me the option to have a hands-on LSB Bible, because I really love it. It's a great translation. So let's open the box. I did cut it, that's all I've done, and took the labels off. And the guy who sold it had stacks of really good photos, and he had photos of it being packed like this. So I saw it sort of from this perspective on his photos, bits and pieces, and then the Bible, and this is how he photographed it as he packed it back in, and there were great photos, really good photos of the Bible. And that's the bag, which is called Bible armor. So cool. Now, I don't throw my boxes on the floor because it scares the cat who's sleeping on my bed behind me. So I'll just stick it there. She doesn't like horrible noises. Anyway, who does? I don't. So, Bible armor. Knife. Cool, Bible armor. Bible armor. And I've seen them, I've already seen them. They're, where's the way in? Okay. It's all sort of velvety inside. And because, nice, and sort of padded and everything. And because the, put that there, because the LSBs don't come in a box, which is, you know, why is that? Anyway, we all like a box to put it in. I got a bag, so good enough. Anyway, have a look at this. And he opened it to photograph it, obviously, and let's just move over a bit. And obviously sort of put it back together, which was really nice too. So obviously opened it very carefully. I could tell by his photos he's fastidious, like me. So I appreciate that. And where's the join? There. So, oh, he stuck that really well. It's only paper. Ooh, look at this. Sorry, Annabelle. There. Now, just put this down a tiny bit. There. Oh, nice leather. Whoa. It's called deep brown, and it is deep brown. Oh, it feels awesome. Oh, and it's sort of thick as a skylar. And what I was hoping is that it was, let me grab it. Hoping it was the same size as the Traveris, the all-time favourite size. Oh, almost. Traveris is that one. LSB. Close. Because I saw the measurements, but the thing is this has a bigger yap. Well, actually not a big yap, probably the same, because the Traveris has a fabulous yap. Anyway, LSB, nice, leather's gorgeous, feels amazing, and yes, it has a yap, very generous yap. It's not full, it's very hard to do this where you're trying to hold it up, but very good on the bottom. Anyway, ribbons. 3 in sort of shades of brown, sort of creamy one in the middle, and let's see, it looked like a fairly orangey red under gold, and I can see from the photos, that was the photos I saw on eBay when he opened it just to show it really carefully, he showed it. Look at that, single column, and the layout is really similar to Traveris, but more space. It's a little bit wider and a little bit taller. So, see? Probably can't see very well, but pop you there, Traveris. So, let's get a bit closer. There, that's better. Oh, paper's creamy. Type size is a generous 9.5. It's a text only and it's in black letter. Awesome. And of course it's first edition. Nice. Really wrapped. I got a first edition. Awesome. Just feels it's smoother than that. I love this Bible. A bit thicker too, a little bit thicker. Leather and the liner. So let's get this camera away. Can't get it right. Feels really good. Wow. Really love this. You over there. So I've got to be really careful handling it because you know, you get distracted when you're doing a, see, you wrinkle a page. You get distracted when you do this because the setup isn't the same as when I'm sitting down reading, so I'll try and do it here. Anyway, and it's Raw Youngblood and Steadfast Bibles 316 Publishing. Everyone's shown these things, and it's got an explanation on how to use it, and books of the Bible. Looks really nice. The paper's lovely. It's French paper, so it's quality. I think it's 32 GSM. You can see the yap, how generous that is. It's going to hold that book block really well too. But I'll do a review of it later, because I wasn't prepared for a review. So, lovely, sort of slightly orangey red under gold. Reminds me of the Cambridge one actually on my Cameo, very similar. And I won't get the ribbons out now either, I don't want to make a mess of it, so I'll do it later, next video. There you go. Deep brown, Legacy, Standard Bible. I am so rapt that I got the first edition, and I don't have anything dark brown. Anyway, thanks for watching, and God bless. Review next, but not today. Sorry about my squeaky chair. Oh, there's a ribbon.